Hi there. This tutorial will explain how to fix blurry pixel art in Godot. Let's get started. I have a basic default project here, so I'm going to add a sprite and then a texture to it. As you can see, the texture looks blurry. This is due to the texture filter setting, which can be changed on a per sprite basis or project-wide. To change it for a single sprite, open up the texture dropdown under the Canvas item section, then change the filter setting from inherit to nearest. The pixel art will now no longer look blurry. This of course only changes it for a single sprite. If you want to change it project-wide, then we need to go to our project settings. I'm going to change the filter setting back to inherit for the moment, that way we can change it project-wide. And we can see that our sprite is once again blurry. So open up the project settings and search for default texture filter, or navigate to the rendering and then the textures section. Then change the default texture filter setting from linear to nearest, and then you can close the settings. And as you can see, the pixel art is nice and crisp. The reason this works is because the default linear setting samples pixels from the 4 nearest pixels to determine one pixel value, which means the imported texture will look blurry when zoomed in on the pixel art. When set to nearest, then just the nearest single pixel will be sampled when determining a pixel value, so you end up seeing each individual pixel when zoomed in, which is the desired effect for pixel art. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for future updates. Happy coding!